welcome back. My house is a mess. We need to take down Christmas. There's so much for us to do today. We're gonna declutter, we're gonna organize, we're gonna clean, we're gonna do it all. So let's get to it. Here is what we're working with. I would say this is what our house looks like on a typical day. If we're not cleaning 24/7, honestly, then it just gets messy and out of hand very quick. There's new dog toys from Christmas all over the living room, random stuff that gets piled up on the dining table like always, and honestly, the kitchen isn't too bad right now, but it could definitely use some tidying up. But that's something I definitely want to work on this year. We're gonna find ways to keep up on the housework without getting burnt out. So we're gonna work on picking up everything first, so we actually have room to walk, and then we're gonna start taking down Christmas and organizing everything into the correct storage bin, so it's really easy to identify and pull out next year. I'm using this fluffy garland I have to act as a cushion for my breakable decor. That way it's protected by the garland, but we don't have to take up a whole bunch of storage space by using bubble wrap or something else like that. Our bubble wrap is our garland, so it saves us so much room and honestly, so much time and effort too. Happy New Year's, you guys. Girl, 2024 is our year. I can feel it. Our spirits are high over here in this house, and we are feeling very optimistic about what's to come for the new year. We have some big life changes happening over here, and I can't wait to share more with you guys soon. But I am just coming into this year with a positive attitude and an open mind. I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to change my ways and bad habits. I'm ready to add more routines and structure to my life. I am ready to take control of my life and my home, and 2024 is our year to do that. I really want to encourage you guys to just write down your resolutions for this new year. Even if it's small or attainable, or if it's huge and unrealistic, write it down. Hold yourself accountable for all of your goals and put it in a place where you can see it and read it every day. I've honestly never done this before, but it's always sounded like a great idea, and this year is the year that I'm actually going to implement my goals by having a written list that I can glimpse at every day. Then we can actually work on our resolutions and get better at them and not just forget about them in February. As I'm taking all this Christmas decor down, I'm also doing some light everyday decorating. I kind of like that feeling of having an empty home right after Christmas. And then over the next coming weeks is when I'll start to add more and more decor here and there. My house was just decked out for Christmas, so for me it's nice to just give my home some room to breathe during this period. Nick is helping me throughout this whole video because I was getting overwhelmed and I just needed a hand. It is fine to ask for help, by the way, if you need it. One of the best things I learned when I had kids was to not be afraid to ask for help. And I've implemented that into my everyday life, and now it's almost crucial to my mental health. I was in the middle of filming a few different videos this day, and my kids did not want to nap. There was so much decor to take down, so much to declutter and organize, and just so much to clean. So give yourself some grace in times like these and just ask for help. Nick is vacuuming everything right now while I try to figure out the decor on these shelves. It's always a trial and error process for me, but I really wanted a minimal look for these shelves, so I stuck with neutral colors and natural textures. Babe, I need help. I'm gonna need a stool. Babe. What? I can only hold this for so long. No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No. Nicholas, Ian. Can you get that spider web too? Okay, I used double-sided tape for these pictures and that was a mistake. Hopefully I can get some glue gun or something to get this sticky off, or else these pictures might just be permanent Christmas frames. Lesson learned, don't use double-sided tape on the top of your frame. We got a new Dyson vacuum for Christmas and we love it so much. We had a Dyson V8 Animal before and we've had it for probably like 5 or 6 years. It has been through like 3 different houses and it's just been through a lot. So we definitely needed an upgrade, and the amount of stuff that this picks up is just insane. I feel like we probably should have replaced our vacuum a long time ago, but I feel like our house is just 10 times more clean with this new vacuum. Highly recommend. I love all Dyson vacuums, but I will leave this new one that we got down below. Oh my gosh, it is just night and day difference. It's amazing. Let's start cleaning off this huge dining table that just tends to catch all things and everything, whatever it is. There's so many Christmas presents, hair ties, tools. The most random stuff gets accumulated on this table because it's just in the center of our home. So that is another thing that I really want to work on this 2024, is to just keep this table clear and clean at all times. I'm replacing this bigger cedar arrangement that I had on my table for a little bowl. I'm putting some disco ball ornaments that I had in here for Christmas, and I'm just putting them in this bowl for the New Year's. I feel like it's so festive, and the light from the window shines right onto these guys, and it just projects the light onto the table, and it is so pretty. Again, I just wanted something simple for this arrangement here, and this works great for the New Year's too, so I thought it was perfect. Everything is pretty much put away, cleaned, decluttered, organized. I have a box that's going to Goodwill here for all of our decor that we don't want, and then all of the rest of the boxes are just going into the garage. So we're gonna take all of these boxes out to the garage now so they can just be out of our hair, out of our way, and our house can actually feel clean. When the house is clean, the last little thing I always do to really finish it off and to make it feel complete is light a candle or two. Our rule in our home is candles are only allowed to be lit when the house is clean because it just feels right and it's more motivation to get the house clean and smelling good too. Okay, and that is it. Everything is clean. It feels so good. I love having the house clean. It honestly just makes me feel so refreshed. So this is your sign to go clean your house if you haven't already, and to take down your Christmas decor and to just start fresh. So if you are new here, I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you've taken down your Christmas decor yet, and be sure to say hi too. I would love to have a chat with you. We will see you in a few days in a new one. Bye.